So we're at an in-between stage with weather. So as you can see, we have like 12 fans and a ceiling fan. Not 12, but anyway, this dresser is a hot mess. I need to organize it, so let's get started. Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I will be doing some organizing, decluttering, doing some random tasks around the house, speed cleaning, and I'm also going to finish up some of the DIYs that I've been working on. If you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. Welcome to my channel where I do videos pertaining to home life. So that is cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out, show that like button some love, and leave a comment down below. So let's talk about this whole dresser situation. Have you ever opened up your drawer and you just couldn't get it open? That is the consistency of my life, okay? Did that even make sense? The consistency of my life. That's how my life is consistently when I try to open these drawers. It's just crazy. So what I try to do during different seasons, this one being spring, obviously, I try to get those drawers straightened out. I also just go through them so I can get rid of some clothes that are too old and donate some that are not so old. One thing that's good about doing this is I always find clothes that I forgot that I had. So there's several pair of black pants that you will see because your girl loves to wear black. And there are pants that I've been looking for, I don't know, for probably about 3 months now. Yep, they've been in this drawer. And I finally was just looking at it one day like, girl, get this drawer together. What exactly is it that you are waiting for? Every time you open the drawer, you get annoyed. So get it together. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. Let me know if you have to have those types of conversations with yourself. You have to tell yourself, girl, get it done, or boy, get it done. However you talk to yourself, I'm always starting everything out with girl, because that's just what I do. You'll have to let me know how you're doing below in the comments. What are you reading? What are you working on? I know I ask you in every video, but y'all be coming through with different things that I can read and different things that I can watch. And I am here for it, okay? It's not just about me talking to you. I need you to talk back to me, so I'm just not sounding like I'm crazy talking to myself. I am 2 episodes away from finishing a show on Netflix called With Love, Megan. And when I tell you it is good, I really like it. And I actually like her. And it's so funny how people perceive people. But there's nothing wrong with anything that this girl is doing at all whatsoever. And for some of y'all, I know why y'all don't like her. But for other people, it's just like, interesting. Because she's done a lot of great things in this world, even prior to being married to her husband. So yeah, very interesting to me. 1 drawer down, 1,800 more to go. That's kind of what it feels like anyway. But all the drawers look like that, so I won't be showing you all the drawers, but they definitely look like that. I try to fold them as small as I possibly can in order to fit everything in there because I do have a lot of stuff in those drawers. Prior to watching With Love, Megan, I was watching a show called Missing You on Netflix, and that has Duchesne from Top Boy in it. If you've ever seen Top Boy, that is a great show. But I'm all about like the crime shows, the police shows, all that in this show. Really, it was a lot of spins that happened in the show. A lot of wow, a lot of ooh, a lot of did that really just happen? Like for real. So if you decide to check out either one of those shows, you'll have to let me know below in the comments. And if you've already watched them, let me know if you like them or not.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No.
I'm glad that I was able to handle that. This is what I got rid of. Now I'm going to fold up some of the cleaning cloths that are on my bed, and then I'm going to go around and dust this room and wipe everything down. I have not dusted in a month of Sundays, and if you've been here for a while, you already know I live in a dust bucket. So yeah, have to get all that taken care of.
How can I believe you when everything is secret, secret? you like I'm old news in your review mirror.
When you know something is dusty, you definitely want to dust it off before you wipe it off with something wet, because you're just creating a hot mess. You don't want to do that. That is the best way to clean. Always start from the top and work your way down. I'm going to be cleaning everything with the Yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant, except for this chair. I'm not cleaning it with Mr. Yellow, whatever it's called, disinfectant, because they changed the recipe and it makes things gooey now. So I'm just cleaning the chair off with the vinegar. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a creature of habit, so I really was rocking with the Yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant, but since they changed the recipe, I probably will not buy it again. It doesn't smell the same and it doesn't work the same. So, Mr. Clean, holla at your girl. Why did you change the recipe? You should have checked with me first, like for real.
I believe you when everything you see everything you see through. Everything you see through. Everything you see through. How can I believe it when everything you see through? Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They I believe you when everything you see through.
How can I believe
Everything you see through. Everything you see through. Everything you see through. How can I believe it when everything you see through? You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah.
I bought this feather duster about 4 years ago, and the greatest thing about it is you can clean it off every single time you use it. That way you can reuse it. The best way to clean it off is just kind of putting it into a plastic bag, shaking it until all of the dust comes off. And then you can also rinse it off really good with water, or you can spray a little bit of my magic concoction. And that consists of the Blue Dawn Original Dish Soap, isopropyl alcohol, water, and some vinegar, of course, some white distilled vinegar. But yeah, it cleans off really easily. You can use it for years and years and years. They are ostrich feathers and they work so good. Let me know if you have a feather duster below in the comments. Let me give you some words of wisdom. If you have a lot of wood in your house like I do, you want to check everything for spiders. And that's exactly what I just did. Because for some reason, spiders love to come to my house. And it's not just like an ordinary little spider. They're always big and hairy and brown and gross. And I'm not about that life. What I do like to do is leave random cups of vinegar around doorways, because spiders do not like vinegar. You already know what happens to them. I don't need to say it, but if you don't like spiders and you have spider issues in your home, make sure that you leave random cups of vinegar around your home. You can refill them like every 2 days, but yeah, spiders, they definitely stay away. Another thing that I've been laying out outside of my doors is mothballs, because I live by fields. There's lots of mice. But I have news for Mickey and Minnie. You are not welcome here. This ain't the house you want to be at, okay? Because we don't do rodents, we don't do pests, any of that stuff. So if you are trying to keep pests away and rodents, Those are two options that you have. If you have something else in mind though, leave it below in the comments.
We was headed, lying awake, can't get out of my head.
For everything that's wood, I'm using the Method Almond Wood Cleaner. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Let me know if you've ever used it below in the comments. Change of scenery. Now we're down in my kitchen and I'm gonna work on finishing up some of these DIYs.
I can carry this weight anymore. Say all your dreams are gone. I'm gonna let this go. I keep holding on. Yeah, I have waited for too long, babe. I can carry this weight anymore.
Two of the books that I've done for the DIY definitely needed sanded and given more of an antique look on the pages. That's what I'm about to handle now. And then with the picture frames, I was just gluing in the little pieces that I never remember the name of. If you wet them first, they're much more easier to cut. I'm waiting for those to dry. I'll put the flowers in there, but I did do that on another video, so I won't show that process. But in the next video, I'm going to show you all of the DIYs that have been completed because guess what? The party is in 3 days from when you watch this video. I am so excited. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, my daughter is graduating from the Ohio State University with her 2nd degree. And I am screaming until the cows come home. I am so proud of her. She is an amazing human. And wow, I'm blessed to be her mother for real. I am so appreciative of you being here. Please leave some purple hearts in the comments below for me so that I know you stuck around this long. And if you have, thank you. Even if you didn't, thank you. I'm just grateful that you're here.
Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. No. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
Let me show you behind my couch to see what has been completed thus far. So those are some of the centerpieces. Quite a few actually. Only have like 4 more. And I'll show you what's on the other side of the couch. Just a bunch of bags, stuff that I'm working on. I know you can barely see, but that's where I store my stuff. There's also some storage back here. There's some storage right there. Right there. Back behind the refrigerator. Those are the clothes that I decluttered. And there's some storage over here by the front door as well. When I tell you that there are boxes all over my house and I feel like a crazy person, that's exactly how I feel. All right, so I got to get the table cleaned up. Hopefully you're not dizzy. I mean, there's just boxes everywhere. Anyway, I got to get the table cleaned up. Those are over there drying. I'm about to put them out in the sun. And then I have to go pick up my daughter from a party. So after this Saturday, all those boxes are gonna not be in my house anymore. But I will say this, I was just telling someone, I can't remember who it was, your girl gonna have to find a hobby after this graduation party is over, because that is all that has been on my mind probably since February. I started doing most of the DIYs at the end of March. So now I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with my life. I feel like I was on this natural high of my daughter's graduating again and just being so excited and wanting her party to turn out, you know, to the best that I possibly could do with what I have. And I got to figure out something else to do with my life now. So if you have suggestions, leave it below. I was thinking about puzzling. If you are a puzzle person, let me know, because that really can take up some time and it's good for your mental health. And that's what it's all about. Because, you know, I have some mental health things that I'm dealing with and I've dealt with my entire life, but that doesn't define who I am as a person. And whatever I can do to keep my mind busy is best for me. One thing I do to help myself along the way is I declare and decree how my day is going to be the moment that I wake up. Today is a great day to have a great day. I step foot in that shower, I'm saying my prayers and I'm saying, you know what? No weapon formed against me shall prosper. There's just certain things that you have to do. You have to command your soul to be happy. You have to command your soul to be a decent human in this world that we live in, because it's a hot mess, let's be real. These may sound like minor things to you, but if you walk out in that world and you get constant negativity and feedback that's not positive, you might be driving down the street, somebody might flick you off, somebody might cuss you out, maybe they think you cut them off or you're driving too slow. You do not have to accept anything that they are trying to throw out there. Instead, say, you know what? I know everything always works out in my favor. I know I'm a good human, but really try to be a good human though. Just saying. But anyway, I hope all of you have an amazing week. Please let me know below in the comments what you've been up to. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you later.